waiting for a box on a truck. Any day now, any luck. Black smoke rolling over 18 wheels, 53 feet full of super deals. Waiting for a box on a truck. Watch out for the big ones, woodchuck. Skip the cash and carry, gave up shaving, getting hairy. Waiting for a box on a truck, saving all those big bucks. I know it's coming my way. Fresh pavement on the highway. Waiting for a box on a truck. Nice and shiny, no muck. Getting closer every minute since the seller sent it. Waiting for a box on a truck. No delivery for tummy tucks. Hey driver, toot that horn. Make us glad that we were born. Steering wheel in hand, running on dry land. Package plan, chrome bulldog, named Mac. Can't afford a heart attack. This side up, so the cargo don't crack. Have to send it back. This time, it won't be like that. Wish I just knew where it's at. Any day now, any luck. Waiting for a box on a truck.